Hey guys, welcome to 1 Month Web Security. I'm here, Chris Castiglione, with John Rose, resident hacker. Is that what you're going to call you?
Whatever you want to call me.
So John, I'm excited to take this class. I've been developing for a little bit now.
Yep.
Yeah, I got some development skills. I want to learn more about what you do. Like, how do I'm a builder.
Yep.
Let's just say you're a breaker, right?
Yep, you can say that.
We can say that, right?
Yep.
How can I write better code? How can I protect my company with little tricks? How can I hack into my ex-girlfriend's Facebook account?
We're not
What
going
are we
to
gonna
talk
do?
about hacking into your ex-girlfriend's account, but
all right.
we will.
Let's start at the beginning. We'll get there, maybe.
We'll get there.
All right,
So,
we'll get there.
the goal of the class is basically to learn how to hack into websites. And
All right, I like that part.
number one, hack into websites.
Let's
we
just
have
do that.
we have a Rails app, and we're going to break into it like 1,000 different ways.
So you're going to show me a Rails app.
I'm going to show you a Rails app. I'm going to
Dig
show
it.
you hacking tools and how to actually break into that site.
Where do these hacking tools come from? Did you make them?
I wrote some of them. And
Did you really?
Yep, some of them I wrote. Some
okay.
of them other people wrote on the internet, all over the place.
And you're going to share them with me, and I'm going to be able to use them.
Right, and you're gonna follow along, and we're gonna hack into this website, and then
Are you going to hack into the 1 Month website?
No, on our
No, right?
we could.
All right, no.
You can take the knowledge you learn in this class, and you can fix all the problems in 1 month.
All right, we should. Well, I hope that we'll find out if there are some problems with the 1 Month website
Yeah.
before we finish filming this class, so that you guys don't.
Yeah, I
hack into
mean
the
you gotta.
video.
Yeah, so.
That sounds good. I feel pretty excited. Well, let's just get started. I think get started installing what we need to install and
Yep.
get on the right track and
Let's do it.
do it. All right, cool. Let's do it.